Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Lithuania and its important role in biotechnology around the world. Lithuania is a small country in Europe, but it's growing very fast in the life science sector. They have great universities and research centers where the government and industries work together to create new technologies. If you want to study biotechnology, Lithuania has excellent options like Vilnius University and Kaunas University and biotechnology. Between 2019 and 2020, there was more than 100,000 students in higher education, and about 7% of them are international students. This country focuses on medical, industrial, and food biotechnology. A very important fact is that Lithuania helped develop CRISPR genetic technology. One of their most famous scientists is Virginijus Sixins, who is a leader of this field. Lithuania has modern centers like the Life Science Centers and Santara Valley. These are places connect universities with private companies to work on health, energy, and materials. It's a great environment for innovation.
Okay, now to understand why Lithuania is so important in biotechnology, we need to talk about its key companies. This first, we have the Thermo Fisher Scientific Baltics that is located in Vilnius. This is the company's largest facility in the region, and it specializes in the production of reagents, enzymes, and molecular biology kits. Essentially, they manufacture essential components used in gene therapies and vaccines worldwide. Next, we have the Norway Biotech, one of the Europe's leading CDMOs. Means that they develop and manufacture biotechnology products for other companies. Their specialists are recombinant proteins and cell therapies, and they are currently leading BioCity, that is a mega project aimed to making Lithuania a global leader. And finally, R&D Biosciences, it's a high-tech company focused on droplet microfluidics. Its innovation enables the ultra rapid analysis of thousands of individual cells, which is the key to personalized medicine and the developmental of the new drugs. And these are together the most important companies because they just don't demonstrate how Lithuania only produces biotechnology. It's also the forefront of innovation. Well, now something that gives Lithuania a huge edge are their scientists. First, Virginijus Žiksnis. This guy is a key figure in CRISPR era because is genetic. This is the gene editing technology. Even though others won the Nobel Prize, he discovered the same thing independently, and he was basically on the same level. Then we have Vladas Blue Vumelis, founder of Norway Biotech and considered the father of Lithuanian biotechnology. And take note, he is behind BioCity, a massive project with billions of euros to turn Lithuania into a biotech powerhouse. And something super current, the development of ATL uh, 105, a recombinant protein being researched to treat hair loss and lung diseases. And yes, it sounds very science fiction, but it's already happening. And in short terms, they don't just have strong companies, they also have minds that are shaping our future. Okay, but there's the important part. How do you get into this field? First, there's the UPINLT program. These are the paid internships lasting 3 to 6 months for international students at top companies like Thermo Fisher or Norway. And yes, they pay you about 650 euros per month. And then there are the science summers, organized by the Lithuanian Research Council. Basically, you spend 2 months in the summer doing research and can receive up to 2,000 euros in funding. And then there's the Thermal Fisher, which has training programs year round. Here you can work on your thesis within the company using the cutting edge technology. And well, it's not just theory, there are real ways to get involved as a student.
What is the government perspective on the science and technology field? Well, the responsibilities for the formation of research and innovation policies are divided between the Ministry of Education, Science and Sports, which is responsible for research and higher education policy, and also in the Ministry of Economy and Innovation, which is responsible for the innovation policy, which includes experimental development, part of research and innovation. Lithuania has also the interinstitutional coordination of major research and development policy initiatives ensured by the Strategic Council for Research, Technology and Innovation formed by the government. In addition, the Research Council of Lithuania is a public entity that advises the national parliament and the government on research issues. It implements research policy, administers international research programs, and supports the development of science and research. In general, Lithuania's research and development in the science and technology field is supported by the government strongly, actively managing the growth in these areas. Are there any development plans that include science and technology? Well, yes, there are mainly two. The State Digitization Development Program 2021-2030 was approved by the government of the Republic of Lithuania. The purpose of the program is to promote the state digitization in order to enhance opportunities for the public sector, businesses, and academia to develop and use innovative products and services efficiently and safely. There is also the Lithuania's Smart Specialization Strategy that defines the national priorities in line with this approach, linking research with economic development goals and supporting the European Union's broader innovation, green, and digital agendas. The schema organizes publication from the Web of Science core collection into 15 thematic fields, which are grouped into three overarching research and development priority areas. The first area is health technologies, biotechnologies, and safe food, which includes advanced applied biotechnology for personal and public health, advanced medical engineering for early diagnosis and treatment, molecular technologies for medicine and biopharmaceuticals, and safe food and sustainable agrobiological resources. Secondly, the ICT technologies, inclusive and creative society, including artificial intelligence, big and distributed data, multidisciplinary analysis, processing and implementation, audiovisual media, design technologies and special innovation, cybersecurity, financial technologies and blockchain, smart transportation systems, and the Internet of Things. The last one is the new production processes, materials, and energy efficiency, including advanced materials and constructions, flexible product development, production, and process management technologies, photonic and laser technologies, strengthening energy efficiency and smart energy solutions, and the use of renewable energy resources. Some fun facts regarding Lithuania as an innovator is that according to the European Innovation Scoreboard, Lithuania is considered a moderate innovator. Also, despite Lithuania has a population of less than 3 million, it punches above its weight in science, particularly in the biotechnology field. The Organization for Economy, Cooperation and Development ranks Lithuania at third in the world for investment in biotech research and development, and is the second one in the European Union for the number of students studying STEM disciplines, with a quarter of students selecting these subjects.